What's up, guys? You've probably seen this in the back of my last video. This is a friend of a friend's jet ski that doesn't work. He came to me last winter and said that, you know, I blew up my engine, can you help me out? And I said, yeah, it's a little cold though, with it being winter. Why don't we wait till spring? Well, this spring came, he brought it over. I'm going to show you what it's got going on here. Now, if you come in here, I think you can see the problem. Now, he wants to get this running as fast as possible and as cheap as possible. I told him I wouldn't put it together with this cylinder. This cylinder is junk. So he ordered a new cylinder, and it should be coming pretty soon. So we're gonna get started on this as soon as that gets here, basically, and try and fix it up for him. Now, as far as I know, this cylinder is good, and this one seems decent. I think it will run, but you know, we'll see. Other than that, we're gonna clean up the inside. He basically paid me for about 5 hours of work on this. I think I'll try and get as much done as possible with cleaning it up, checking over the carbs, seeing why this cylinder happened. Now, on my first inspection of it with the customer, or the friend, right? Not really a customer. With my first inspection, I noticed that oil line is like only on a little bit. So that could be something to do with it, but I really just think it's probably super lean in this cylinder. I also noticed a lot of like sludgy stuff down in the bottom. I'm not sure if you can see any of that. I don't know if that's oil or what, but if that fell off, that would explain why there would be oil everywhere. I think he probably bought it and it was like on its way out, and you know, the person before him just like got rid of it, unfortunately. So we're gonna get this thing cleaned up. The hull is like better than I've ever seen. This is a 2001, and I've never seen a hull that nice for a 2001. Now, he did ride it. He said it was good, but so Corey said that he did ride it, it was good, and then it just quit working on him. Well, with that cylinder being out, it is, I can understand. So the other thing we're gonna do, now I think he ordered a seat and is sending it to me. He lives about an hour away, or maybe a little more than that, I don't remember. But he is sending me a seat, so I'm gonna recover it for him if he does, the seat cover. We'll clean it all up, we'll get it nice, we'll get it working for him. But just wanted to throw this one out there for you. Thanks for watching.